Holy Sigma, new fairings.
These may look good from a distance, but they've got a little bit clapped, so we're gonna switch them out. I'm really not excited for it because it's a lot of freaking work on this bike, especially having cages and stuff, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna push through the suffering, especially because right now I don't have my 6x6 anymore. I'm trying to get a 1000, so this will be the most space I have in the garage for a while. All right, real quick before the unboxing, let's just take a look at how we order from the website. So you can come here, you can pick your specific bike, and from here you can either customize your fairings or you can do what I did, which I actually selected this one. I found this one in the R1 section. I swapped out the blue for purple and I left the rest how it is, and they just were able to apply it to the R7. Or you can pick one that's already made for your bike, as these are. Or I'm pretty sure you can just email them and fully customize them however you want. So yeah, pretty simple, pretty cool, not too expensive either. Okay, let's do an unboxing. Unboxing time, yeah. ASMR. Open ignition. Tell you guys right now, I'm not doing all the work to switch this piece out. I didn't do this the last time I got fairings. I'm not doing it this time either. There's really no point unless I actually broke that piece, you know, which I did actually scratch that piece from crashing, but it don't really matter. I'm not bugging about it. Oh boy. Check that out. Oh my gosh. Oh my freaking Sigma. This is definitely a sticker that they just clear coated over, but I mean, it's fine. I'm pretty sure that's kind of how they all do it. Oh yeah, ooh doggy. Are you guys gonna miss the green? I might kind of miss it. I'm definitely gonna be changing out the tank, the HT Moto or whatever. It's actually called Hydro Turf. If y'all didn't know, if you're ever trying to buy it, just look up Hydro Turf. I usually get it on Amazon. Dang, look at that tank fairing, boy. It's a shame I'm gonna have to cut them and destroy them, but is with these. More tank. I bet people driving by think I look freaking crazy out here with a mask on, probably robbing the garage. Ooh, oh yeah, check it out, check it out. I don't know about this. I might have rather that just been fully purple. I don't know, it's gonna be fine. It'll look cool. Oh, I might have just scratched it. Ow, I just smacked it again, dang it. Okay, we got a bunch of like black stuff. Oh my gosh, gold looks pretty freaking sweet, not gonna lie. Okay, we need somewhere for the trash to go soon, so these pieces are actually kind of important to replace. So this has been scratching up right there because of my brake line. So before I scratch the new one up, I'm gonna figure something else out for that so that doesn't happen again. Okay, we've got everything laid out. Got the bike. They gave me a bolt kit, so that's pretty freaking cool, and some heat shield and some pieces like this, which I obviously won't be using, but yeah. Well, the only thing left to do now is just start taking stuff apart. This is the main reason I hate dealing with this stuff, is we've already ran into our first problem. I can't even get this puck out. Seems like all my motor mounts were loose, so good thing that we're taking it out anyway. So the next awesome thing is the motor mount's clearly loose, but now that I'm trying to get it all the way loose, it's being a freaking pain, so that's always fun. Ah, sick bud, my favorite. Oh gosh, that's like one of the worst feelings ever. Dude, I feel like it's gonna snap the bolt. Oh my gosh. I don't think we put Loctite on this. It's so grimy. This is why you don't drop your bikes, kids. Hey, at least it's going though. That's the good part. As long as it's going, and it is going now, so that is something at least. Here we go. Oh man, that's awesome. So if it would work, great. Come on, come on. Oh, maybe. Yeah. Ugh. Awesome. Part of the hard part's done, so now we just got to do the slightly easier part, sort of. First piece off. Yippee. So it would probably be good to have a strategy to what I'm doing, or like some form of organization. But I'm basically hoping that I do this fast enough to where when I go to put it back together, it will be recent enough to like remember what I was supposed to do. It's kind of what I'm relying on. So yeah, so whether this actually gets put back together well or not is kind of, I don't know, we'll see. Might have to zip tie some things here and there, but hopefully not. That's just the beauty of, you know. Oh, okay, that was easy. What do we do here? Do we pull this out, or is that just, I don't know what the strat is for this. I'm gonna have to, my phone's almost dead, so we're getting somewhere. Okay, we're switching to the GoPro because my phone's about to die, so yeah. Yeah, and this is where I found out the motor mount threads for my left side were absolutely destroyed. So if you guys want to see a helicoil tutorial, I'll be posting that soon, since I'm sure a bunch of my fellow stunters need to know how to fix their motor mounts. So yeah, it was my first time doing a helicoil, not in this video, but in general. So yeah, stay tuned for that coming. you.